guys, you're watching another episode of We Like to Play Jurassic World. And Lego Boy and Lego Dad here.
Oh yeah, I always forget that you renamed us. I have a new name.
So, wait, do we get to play as the kid now? Yes, we do. Oh, yes, we do get to play as this kid. Sweet. You get to play as the diving doo-doo kid.
There's our ghost myths.
I'm just following my dad.
Hey, Grant and Kirby.
I'm Kirby. Oh man, that's not Kirby. That's Kirby. Hi, Dad. Oh, you used to be a mechanic. Sweet.
Apparently not.
Yeah.
There we go.
Ooh, what's behind this building? Ah, no. I'm falling off of the building.
What do we do?
That is creepy. How does this, like, is this like a flying island?
This is Kirby. There we go.
Is this like a flying island? Cause there are hooks coming out of it, and I'm just dying.
Going down there.
I don't want to. Okay, where am I? Oh, so close to the ledge.
Did I finish that? Let's look at you. What happened?
Went into
You'll
level.
find a
That's
great
why.
dino fact
The
just
bird
down there.
cage.
Oh, and so you know, this is actually our last level.
So if this is the bird cage, would this be the last level? There should be one more. If this whole level's the bird cage, then there should be one more after this. Are we on level 3 or 4? I lost count. This is level 5. This is the 5th one, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so maybe there's 6 of this one.
Hey, look, the Spinosaurus is just like.
Or it's possible they just combined the last part with this level.
I didn't know he was a builder. Wait, that's his dumb building.
Raptor eggs.
I took them on an impulse. I thought they'd be worth a fortune, enough to fund the dig site another 10 more years.
What if they catch us with them? What if they catch us without them?
There's a boat at the bottom, just downriver. Try and make it to the coast, at least.
So he wasn't. So he wasn't wanting to. What?
Bird poop.
Is this a flying? Oh, don't eat his pants. Don't eat his pants. We have to go save him.
I just fell down a hole.
I'm going to parachute down this hole. I did a dumb idea.
Grant.
We need Grant. Amber.
Where? Oh, up there. Can you get it?
No, maybe the girl can. Now a girl can.
Oh, no, it looks like we're gonna have to walk there so we're up here. Whoa! Let's go up.
Oh yeah, I think we have to get on the roof. How do we get on the roof?
I don't have anybody with a gun.
Does anyone have a gun? You have a gun? No. Oh, of course you don't have a gun. Of course this guy doesn't have a gun. Oh. I'm guessing we're going to need this girl for us to get up there, huh?
No.
Oh no, we need you. Really, why do you keep on falling off? Seriously. What, do you not have good balance?
Apparently not.
Oh, that does need me. See you later, alligator. See you later, Gator.
I'll have to
What? How do we get up there?
Might be a free play thing.
Just a second.
Yeah, so far all these have been free plays, huh?
There.
There, you guys can go. What? Oh, that was just fake? What is that? There's stuff down here. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, the kid's taken. That's why we're over here. Ladder. I was going to see if that could help us. But I guess it can't. We need someone that can see in the dark.
What is this? Let's go. Oh, you
Look,
gotta cut
Dad,
that box.
I'm cutting that and my nails.
Overgrown chicken.
Yeah, that's an over.
Girl.
She can plant. How can I not plant?
Oh, we need. It looks like her, but it's actually sandals. Where's Kirby? Still trying to get across that. Really, Kirby?
Kirby's more like Kirby the chicken, huh? I don't think I think I can make it. Oh, barely.
So I'm guessing it'll be free play and something that plants here is what is going to get that amber.
Yeah. It's a bummer you can't get any of these on right off the bat, huh?
I don't know.
I mean, you would at least expect them to get you this one right off the bat.
Careful.
Unless I can do it from here.
Come on. Oh, look, I'm just making them all go.
Guess I need that dance first.
Yeah, that might help. Because I think Billy is afraid of dinos. Unless you're talking about dino skeletons. What does that do? I'm guessing something that dinosaurs don't like.
Is it a rocket?
Or is it water? Oh yeah, it's a rocket.
Okay, maybe I
Bye-bye,
can get
Bernie.
up here now.
Hang on. I'll find a way up for you as well.
Oh, for the girl even?
Why did I? Come on, make it. Oh, I didn't make it. And I didn't make it.
For some reason, Alan likes to stay with me. Or whoever's not playing. He didn't die yet. Does Billy ever die in the movie?
I don't want to give away spoilers.
He does.
Yeah, but they'll probably show it. Come on, everybody! We gotta go save that boy.
What? Hey, Grant! Why can't I jump up there? Whenever I'm not good on trampolines. Seriously, I'm not good on trampolines. Oh, look. He's not following us. What a surprise.
Eric!
Yeah, like everything needs free play on this, huh? Everything. We only got like one special thing, huh? Oh, I have to build.
I got this.
What, is it gliding? What, how did I change to him? I do not want him.
Oh
Oh,
yeah, you gotta do a bunch of
cool.
Hey, I can almost see my house from here.
I'm guessing he was doing that for an expression. Are you, Dad? Are you?
I agree.
Awesome. Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of a team.
Kid, save him.
I am parachuting to save the kid. He's just beating them up. Ah, he just walks on him.
Let go now!
I'm sure right now what's the bad time?
The water.
And I guess the water saves them if they know how to fly. Oh yeah, he's probably going to die or get lost, huh? He's probably going to parachute like off of the island. How did a Spinosaurus get there? It's not even swimming, it's just standing up.
Hey, look. Aww.
What?
In the movie, they had to go dig for the phone. Dinosaur.
How is it just standing up? Is that very not deep?
Find a weapon!
Oh, it's deep. Well, it's not very deep for him.
Yeah, but it's people to be able
And me.
to. You gonna do anything? Or?
I'm coming. I don't even know what I'm building. What did I just build?
Yeah.
I can scare them off.
Scare off these compies.
Oh, with my dinosaur pee, probably.
Need your dino pee over here.
Come on. Go off. Money. Yeah, money. Explore over here. Ah,
Some sort of
gun?
gun over here. See if I can leave. Current pieces.
I'll still choose that guy.
Medikit.
Did that thing just cast on fire so he's dead? Oh, I know he's still
Scared him.
standing there.
Yeah, you got his attention, all right.
Hey, Kirby.
Because you need to save him. Oh, my nail's finally done.
Yeah, Jason's not really playing the game right now. He's playing with his fingernail. What are you doing? Clipping your fingernails? You couldn't have waited till after the game?
What?
Couldn't have waited till after the game? We need a little kid over here.
Like me?
Oh. If I die because you're clipping your fingernails.
What?
If I die because you're clipping your fingernails. Yeah, shoot those. Can you shoot those? Aim down. See the orange thing? There you go. Hey, I was fairly close to that.
That's it, Dad. We just need a few more barrels.
A few more. Okay, I'm moving over there. You see my sparks?
We got a crane.
A wood crane? It doesn't even make any
Trains
sense.
move very slow in this game, don't they? We'll get there.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take a nap.
Oh, I was still pushing forward and spin sideways. I need to adjust.
Oh, Dad, I was going to go like this.
Ah, careful with your mic.
I was going to go like this, Dad. 1 hour later. That would be funny, huh? It's like 1 hour later.
Put your mic down. That's what you're saying.
They heard me. Hey. That's better.
Shoot it.
I don't know what I'm shooting.
Gotta kind of aim at it. There you
Oh, just shooting wildly. I was just shooting wildly. It's burning.
Dad!
A compy.
I'm not going anywhere.
I'm scared of the compy.
Why is the compy following me? Sit. Good boy.
He's like, okay. Wait, do you think that's... Ah, forget it.
Oh.
They want the eggs. Otherwise, we'd be dead already.
Wasn't there one more?
Yes. Like,
No,
ooh,
no. Call for help.
making a band.
That's a helicopter.
Yeah, the helicopter heard it. They will get help by us.
Yay! Story complete.
See, they did smush it into one level.
He did. They probably could have done that into 2 levels. There's enough in the movie to keep that interesting. Anyway, we got money. How close are we get?
Not close at all.
58%.
Not close at all. Do we get any characters?
Too many gets. Right? 3. Wow.
I only remember one.
We're at
Yes,
lecture.
now we got all the Alan Grants.
Soldier,
We got a soldier and
Eric Kirby,
Eric.
Enrique Cardoso, Mr. DNA,
We can play as Mr. DNA.
Steven Spielberg.
What?
We got Steven Spielberg.
Oh, is he the one that made it?
Yeah, he directed the first 2.
Actually, that Mr. DNA
He's
and
produced all the others, so.
actually Mr. DNA makes sense. You know why?
Yeah, finish story.
You know what? Why it kind of makes sense? Because you know that on Batman 3,
They got their bags packed. Like, let's go. Nope.
they wanted to move.
They want to become like
But,
Billy still made it.
that's
Still got They're all sad now that they didn't get to go too.
no, I don't like this.
Yay! Let's get some money. Nope. That was some credits went wrong.
Yeah.
Anyway,
You know why? So see you next time.
why?
I pressed my
You clicked
plus.
it? Okay,
Wait, what is that?
I don't know.
We want to. Is that a shield?
No idea what that was about.
So it makes sense with Mr. DNA and the other guy, because you know why? In Batman 3?
Same thing.
Yeah. So see you next time. Hope you like the video. See you next time
That was all of Jurassic World 3.
in Jurassic World.
Jurassic
We'll
Park
see
3,
you at
sorry.
Jurassic World.
Yes.